Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to share folder and file by Google Drive. We know that Google Drive is like a vertical PC or vertical machine. It will allow to share with your file, folder, anything with your friends, family or staff. So this is very easy and simple way to connect with Google Drive and share file and folder over the internet around the world. So that's pretty good. In this video I will share with you how you can share and give access or give edit to your friends, family or staff. So let's take a look. In order to do that, I am going to open my Google Drive. And we know who are using Google Drive, like Google Drive is a part of Gmail product, and in Google Drive you can simply switch, like here when you open Gmail and you will see here a Google Drive. Even you can go drive.google.com and sign in with your Gmail, and you can simply access your Google Drive. So that's we know very well. So now I am going to share how you can share any file or folder with your client or any other. Simply, like example, here is a folder. So you will see this is folder and here is a file. You can choose any file if you want. Now I am going to share this folder with someone. So simply click over there and you will see a option will pop up, and here you will see an option which is called share. Simply click there, and after that you have to type the name, the person you want to share with him. Simply type his name if it is the name is in your address book, or if you want to send him, if you know his email address, you can simply type his email address. Like I am going to type my email address and it will simply appear here. And also you can choose here edit file directory, like you want to give him what access that person. You can give him can organize, can edit or etc. Or you can also only give him can view only, or you can get a shorter link. Like if you click here you can get the link, and this link copy it and simply you can give him any over the internet, and he can easily access the file and folder. Also you can give him the permission, whatever permission you want to give him, and also you can add notes. Now I'm going to click this advanced option and let's see what will appear there. So if you click the advanced option you will see many kind of option, like you can directly share link to Gmail, Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter. Directly you can click this and it will directly share to your Twitter, Facebook or any etc network if you would like to send. And here you can see who has access in this file. You can choose anyone can view with this link, or you can give this public or specify people. So this is like if you like to any kind of setup you can simply choose that. So I keep this on anyone with the link, and then I will click on save. In here when you click this send, and it will automatically like you can you can copy this link and simply give your friends or family or any your staff, and they can directly access this folder. And whatever permission you given them, like they will they can access it and they can do whatever permission access you given him. And then simply click on send, like I had said here email. So if I click send, he will get an invitation about this link, and he can directly jump this folder or file. And now like example, if I click on done example, here you will see many file or folder. Which folder or file have this human icon, that means this file or folder was shared with the friends or family. You can simply check it very easily. So that's for now. I hope you really like this video and it will helpful for you. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.